It's 8 a.m. in downtown Edinburgh, Castle Terrace. Coffee in hand, expectations high, and optimism dangerously strong. Today's mission? The longest one-day bus adventure tour in Europe. 12.5 hours, 360 miles, and one legendary lake that may or may not contain a dinosaur. We're rolling with Timberbush Adventure Tours, and right away we know we're in good hands. Because our guide Mohammed is one of those people who doesn't just know history, he performs it. This bus leaves exactly on time, which in travel terms already feels magical. As we leave the city behind, Scotland wastes no time showing off. Rolling farmland turns into highlands, and we stop near Callander, where you might spot a highland coup if the timing gods approve. Then it gets heavy. We enter Glencoe, one of the most beautiful places on earth and one of the darkest chapters in Scottish history. In 1692, the Clan MacDonald was betrayed by soldiers who had been living as their guests. It's a reminder that in Scotland, even the landscapes have trauma. And then, boom, the Three Sisters of Glencoe. Massive, dramatic, and absolutely flexing on every mountain you've ever seen. After lunch near Fort William and cruising past Ben Nevis, we finally arrive at Loch Ness, 24 miles long, over 700 feet deep, and suspiciously quiet. Some people take the cruise. Some tour the castle. I do what any responsible adult would do. I wander off alone, hoping to accidentally discover a cryptid. Is Nessie real? Science says no. But when the water is dark, the wind is still, and the loch stretches forever, your imagination starts negotiating. And honestly, even if Nessie isn't real, the feeling absolutely is. Long before tour boats and selfie sticks, the people of the Highlands believed Loch Ness was alive. As early as the year 565, locals spoke of a terrifying water beast that dragged swimmers beneath the surface. Saints, soldiers, and fishermen all told the same story, something massive moving under the dark water. Then in 1933, modern Scotland met an ancient legend when sightings exploded overnight. Photographs, sonar pings, and blurry shapes turned Nessie into the world's most famous monster. Real or not, one thing is certain: Loch Ness has never stopped watching back. Here are 5 fun Loch Ness facts most people don't know. Number 1, Loch Ness holds more fresh water than all the lakes in England and Wales combined, and you still can't see the bottom. 2, the water is almost black due to peat from surrounding hills, making objects look bigger, closer, and way scarier. 3, the famous surgeon's photo was a toy submarine, and the guy who made it sank it to hide the evidence. It may still be down there. Number 4, no seal DNA was found in the loch during a massive 2018 study, but eel DNA was everywhere. And 5, Loch Ness sits on a major geological fault, meaning underwater gas releases and shifting water can literally create moving humps. Then it's time to head home, through Inverness, where Mohammed explains how this small city is booming, through the Cairngorms National Park, and finally a well-earned stop in Pitlochry. 12.5 hours later, we roll back into Edinburgh, on the dot. Tired, full, and completely convinced this was worth every mile. Timberbush Tours delivered Scotland in a day. Mohammed was 5-star perfection, and if you only have one day, this might just be the best adventure you can buy. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you didn't see Nessie, she probably saw you.